Hi, welcome to my channel. I've lost 180 pounds with keto, carnivore, and counting calories. I'm now in maintenance mode. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Okay, it's that time again. Let's pull out. Tomorrow's Wednesday. Hey, today's Tuesday. Are you watching Kim Howerton? You need to watch her go live. If you have any questions about anything, she knows so much about keto, carnivore, counting calories, thyroid. She likes the sciencey stuff. I just eat. That's all I do. I eat to get what I need. If you like the science and have questions, you need to go follow Kim Howerton every Tuesday, 7 o'clock Central Time, whatever it is, her time. She's in California. I think it's 5 o'clock her time. Anyway, 7 o'clock Central Time, PM. You need to be watching her if you have questions. She answers great questions. She's really awesome. Anyway, she's the reason why I kicked over into keto and counting calories. Her and Nisha Berry and Dr. Ken Berry, they're all great friends. And yeah, Tuesday night, you need to listen to her and watch her. You can ask all the questions. And like I said, she's very sciencey. So for me tonight, okay, so tomorrow's Wednesday. I'm just going to yank this out. Wednesday, I'll pull one of these out. We'll have Thursday, Friday. I need to pull something out for Saturday. So I'll pull this out. That's Saturday. Maybe a little less of a... Okay, so Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. I won't need a breakfast or Saturday because I have my... I'll be home for Saturday morning so I can make my own breakfast. All right, so let's close it. And let's migrate over here and see what we're going to do. I have pork, so I'm going to save this for supper because this is way too much for me. This is the, what were them things? Oh my gosh, come on. I mean, I can't spit it out. It's the, it's Italian stuffed burritos. That's way too much, but I'm just going to take it and not take a side dish. So that's what I'm going to take tomorrow for lunch. I'm going to take that as my lunch. And and then I've got my yogurt and my breakfast casserole. If you want to see how I made this when my mom was in town. Or on my playlist, you can see, just do Terry Least Italian stuffed burrito or Terry Least burrito. It will show up how I made this. So anyway, I'm going to do that, and I want to grab a couple fruit. Hang on. Okay, I got an apple and 2 little baby oranges. And that's it. That is my meal prep. I cheated, and I did my coffee earlier. So there we go. That's what I'm taking tomorrow. And look, this is only not even 3.5 minutes. What do you think of them apples, Craig? This just might be a short video. We'll see. I'll see what I do tomorrow night for supper. Okay, bye. Wednesday morning weigh-in. We're getting back closer to our home weight. Check it out. One of my coworkers said instead of dumping the last little bit down the drain every day, whatever's left from my pot in the mornings, I should just put in a cup and even make a little bit extra. And then on the weekend, I can have some cold brew coffee. So isn't that a kick in the pants? So yeah, I didn't do cold brew coffee in the winter because it's dadgum cold. But that's a thought. I can just make a full pot and use them and have some cold brew. Anyway, okay, bye. I'm ready way too early for work. So I ran by the car wash and I'm getting my car washed. We've got a bunch of these new car washes in town where you just put it in neutral and it drives you right on through. We are a fancy town. Woohoo! It's pretty cool. I know. We are probably the last. So everything, I'm going to tell you this about, I'm in Missouri, in the center of the United States. So the big stuff hits the coast. the West Coast and the East Coast and fashion and all kinds. Sorry about that. I guess the reception is not good inside of a car wash. Anyway, what I was saying is, you know, new things, big things, exciting things, they hit the coasts first. They hit like the big cities, like, you know, New York and, I don't know, places in California, the big cities. And anyway, then they slowly trickle into the center cities. So I guess that would be like maybe Oklahoma City, Kansas City, St. Louis. And then they trickle down to smaller towns. So like I said, I think we have about 37,000 people in this town. So by the time things get to our town, you know, we're behind the times. So if you come visit a smaller town or come visit the middle of the United States and it's not a really big city, just know we're going to be behind. We're going to be behind just a little bit from whatever you big city outer coast people are doing. So anyway, we just, I would say it's probably been the past 6 months, these car washes have been popping up all over. Probably have about 6 of them in town. And so they, it's the kind where they spray off your car before you go in, and then you you go up there and they direct you onto the belt, and then you put it in neutral, and then the machine, it just rolls you through on that conveyor belt, and then you get your car clean. So Tawanda's gonna look all fresh. She's looking all spiffy. So all right, anyway, I just got ready for work too early, and it's still 7:20, but okay, I'm comfortable with going in now. Bye. Okay, I am back at work now, and I've got my egg casserole. This is the sausage and egg, no cheese and no vegetables, just sausage and egg, ground pork and egg. When I first started buying this yogurt, see those dots? This yogurt didn't used to have those dots. And so, or maybe it's because I used to buy the plain. I'm such a ninny. Anyway, so when I first saw these dots, I was like, oh my gosh, something's wrong with my yogurt. It's moldy. And so I was like sliding my spoon around to see if it was all the way around. And it was. So it's the vanilla beans, I guess. You just never know. You never know what's going on up in this brain. But anyway, so if you ever do buy this yogurt and you see those little dots, it's probably not mold. Okay, bye. Okay, it's lunchtime. I went ahead and cut up my little orange. And I have... This is so much. My weight's going to be up tomorrow. Look at all that. That's why I didn't bring a side. Look at that. That's like a whole stinking half of a lasagna, but you know, whatever. It's how I made it up, so it's what I want to eat. So anyway, that's my, it's my, you know, Italian burrito bowl. That's the one I made when the family was in town. It's got tons of cheese on it. I'm not kidding. My scale's definitely going to be up. Then I got the apple and the orange. Found this in the break room, so I'm going to take this home. I know I already have some, but I'll just keep taking one here and there and cutting it up and throwing it in my freezer. So, okay, bye. Looks like I have 3 more of these wraps, so I'm going to finish them off tonight. I'm going to put some of this Thai sweet chili sauce on here before I microwave the pulled pork, just to kind of let it soften up a little bit. So I'll microwave this. While that's going on, we're going to get us a bowl. And I'll be out of these after tonight, so you won't be seeing them anymore. It's been kind of fun. It's been fun having a different texture. So I'll put in some of these rutabaga chips, well, slices. I really like the texture of them. They're just crunchy and good. And then, of course, you know I'm going to add in some red onion. So I'm going to get a spoon in here. I'm really hangry tonight. Like really, really super hungry. I'm kind of just hangry. And then we're going to add some tomatoes. So that's going to be my side tonight. I'll go on and pull these. I think I have 3. I can't hardly tell. 1. Yep, 3 whole ones. Like I said, we're not going to do the rutabaga. Or the, we're not doing guacamole. I'll holler whenever that is done. Okay. So now, I won't have the guacamole. That guacamole did help kind of hold them on. Help hold it together. Because the meat kind of stuck to it. I had 6 pieces on it. Let's see, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll do another one. 6 seemed to work okay. So, turn you a little bit. Get you put together here. I'm just going to flip it over. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to get my hair cut tomorrow, if my hairdresser remembers. And anyway, so after work, I don't know if I'll be, I don't know if we'll go out to eat. I don't really know. I have to see what her schedule is and what's going on. We don't always go out to eat, but if we do, I will tell you and show you what we're having. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, get on there, little feller. Okay. Okay. I'm going to eat these real quick. All right. I'm going to eat this other one. So, supper's going to be these 3 wraps. And that version of veggies. Hang on, I'm going to do something to them. Hang on. Okay, I'm going to put a little of this Polynesian in with these veggies. It'd be almost kind of like a little veggie dip salad. I don't know. Just a little bit. Here we go. I'll do that. I'll kind of stir it up. I think just to kind of be a little fun, a little different. Let's see what I think of it. Let me see. Yeah, that works. Whoop. All right. That's my supper. That. And that. Oh, yeah. I don't have the plate underneath me. So somebody's going to be happy. Sam. Callie, come here. Get that down there. There, get that for your brothers, dude. Get it. There we go. Good girl. All right. Quality assurance came around to help out. Okay, bye.